One way you can waterproof unfinished wood is by coating it with linseed and tung oil. First, sand the wood so it's smooth and free of imperfections, and wipe away any dust with a dry cloth. Then, brush some pre-blended linseed and tung oil onto the wood and let it soak into the surface. Apply more oil to any spots that look dry. Wipe off any excess oil with a dry rag. Then let the wood dry completely overnight. Finally, lightly sand the wood with fine grit sandpaper. Repeat the process to apply more coats to reach your desired finish. Another way you can waterproof unfinished wood is by sealing it with polyurethane, varnish, or lacquer. Make sure you work in a well-ventilated area if you're using this method. Start by sanding and cleaning the wood. Then, brush on the sealant and let it dry per the instructions. Apply additional coats until the wood has your desired finish. Your third option is to use a stain sealant combo product to waterproof the unfinished wood, which will dry quickly and have a wider range of color options to choose from. Simply apply the product to dry, clean, sanded wood using a paintbrush, then let it dry per the instructions. To waterproof painted wood, clean the wood with soapy water and let it dry. Then apply a layer of polyurethane wood sealant with a paint sprayer. Let the sealant dry for 24 hours.